Hi friends, welcome to NK3 Tutorials and I'm your mentor Nishan and you are watching the Photoshop Beginners Training video series. And if you are new to Photoshop, I suggest you to watch this video series from the beginning, from the video 1, class 1, so that you will easily understand Photoshop step by step. And this is a class number 7. So in this class we are going to learn the slice tool and the select slice tool, and how to creatively use this tool for creating a seamless panoramic image for posting on Instagram. And watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi friends, we are going to learn how to create a seamless panoramic image with the help of the slice tool. So as you can see, you might be thinking this is a one single image, but this is not a one single image. These are the pieces of image which I have created using the slice tool, and we are going to learn how to do this. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the detail. So for that we'll go to the Photoshop first, and we'll need one panoramic image. So I have already downloaded one image, but as you can see, Instagram uses square dimension image, so we have to take this image in the square dimension. So for that we will create one new file and keep the dimension square 1080 by 1080, resolution 72, and the color profile will be sRGB because it is going to display on the screen. So sRGB supports screen resolutions. So click OK. After that we have to divide this image into 4 equal parts. So for dividing this image into 4 equal parts, we need this image to be 4 times bigger in horizontal direction, so that we can place this image here. So first of all, we need to increase the size of the image in horizontal direction. For that we will right click here, image size, and for increasing the image horizontally we need to increase the width of the image, and we'll go to, you have to keep this percent if you have pixels or inches selected. Keep in mind you have to keep this percent and increase it 100. I have to increase this 4 times big, so I will keep it 400 and click here so that it will increase only on the right hand side. Click OK. Once it is increased, now I have to divide this image into 4 equal parts. For dividing this into 4 equal parts, I will be using the guidelines. For now I will just minimize this image. So this is our ruler. Okay, if you don't find a ruler, press Ctrl R on your keyboard, and on the ruler you will just click, right click here and click on the percent option, and then drag a ruler from here and place the ruler guide to 25, then 50, then 75. So that's why we choose percent, so it get easy to divide anything in percent. 1 2 3 4, we got 4 equal parts. Now the another thing we have to do is to place the image here, panoramic image. So click and drag this image here, minimize this. So I want to now resize the image. I want to scale down the image little bit, so I will press the Ctrl T button on the keyboard, and I want to scale in proportionally, so I will press Alt Shift on the keyboard. Now we want to scale this image from the right hand side. I will go to the edit, and just drag it inside here and done. After that we need to slice this image into 4 equal parts. This is only for equal proportion. We have used these guides. The main thing we will do using the slice tool. The slice tool you will get under the perspective crop tool. You will get beneath it the slice tool. Click here and create a one big slide here. Once you create a one big slice, then we need to divide this slice into 4 equal parts. For that, you can go to the select slice tool, right click and select divide slice, and we need to divide this slice vertically. It should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will 4 slice across equally spaced. Okay, it will create slices equally. So the select slice tool is also used to select a single slice, and you can move the slice anywhere you want. And you can also edit the slice using this. If you want to make the height of the slice smaller, you can click and drag it down, and if you want to make it big, again you can take it up. You can also divide a single slice into number of parts. Right click, divide it 4. It will divide this in also into number of parts, but this was only I was showing the options, so we don't need to divide this. We only need 4 parts so that we can put this image on Instagram. After dividing this image into 4 equal parts, go to File, Save for Web. If you are using the latest Photoshop, you will get this Save for Web option under the Export option. So I am using CS6. It is directly under the File menu. Click on the Save for Web and select JPG format. Zoom out a little bit, you can see the 4 slides created. Save, click on the Save button, and I will create a folder, Instagram post. Here you can name Pano. It will automatically give number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we create the pieces of the image using the slice tool. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the detail. So the next part is to upload this image on the Instagram. So if you are using a mobile phone, you can just copy these images to your mobile and apply in the multiple image option. I will show you how to do this on PC. So first we will check our images which we have sliced. So these are the images we have just sliced, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the next thing is to upload it. So I will go on the Google Chrome browser, and in the browser I will type Lately Socials. I use this website for uploading images on Instagram on PC. So click on login, and I already logged in this website through my Instagram account. You can do this. Click here on Instagram and click on the post option here. Once you click on the post option, you will see something like this. Okay, so media is for posting a single image, story is for uploading your story, and crucial is for multiple images. We want to upload multiple images, so we will use this option, and for uploading the image we will use this option. For we want to select the image from our PC. So it is directly showing the file location, because I have also done one time before. So you go through the process: desktop, Instagram post, and the images. So always select the first image first. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4 in like this series. So these are the 4 images which we have created using the slice tool in Photoshop. After that, for publishing these images, we have to first click here and then click on the post now option. Now once if I click here, I can go here and check my post, but I will go on my profile here. So if I post the image there, I can see the image here first. So our image has been posted. Let's refresh this. So you can see that our image has been posted on Instagram, Seamless Pano. So I have directly posted this image. You can, if you want, you can also add a caption, Seamless Pano, whatever you want to write, you can write here and then click on the post button. So I hope you understand this, how to create a Seamless Pano image for posting on Instagram. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned a new thing today, how to use the slice tool for creating a seamless panoramic image for posting on Instagram. And if you really like the video, click on the like button. If you want to learn more things like this from me, subscribe my channel, and want the latest notification of my uploads, click on the bell icon. It's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.